Welcome to India, adventurers. Today we're pushing into the heart of Haryana, exploring a city steeped in history and bursting with natural wonders. This is Karnal, a place where the past and present collide. Known for its historical significance dating back to the epic Mahabharata, Karnal is a city that's seen it all. From ancient empires to modern India, it's a survivor. We'll be trekking through its historical landmarks, feeling the weight of centuries gone by. But Karnal isn't just about looking back. It's about understanding the pulse of modern India, a place where agriculture fuels the nation. Get ready to immerse yourselves in the sights, sounds and stories of this incredible city. Let's get exploring. Right, we're starting our Karnal expedition where it all began, with its history. This city has roots that run deep all the way back to the legendary Mahabharata. Legend tells us that Karnal was where the mighty warrior Karna, a key figure in the Mahabharata, was born. We're talking about stories and myths passed down through generations, shaping the very identity of this place. And just like in the Mahabharata, where empires clashed, Karnal has witnessed its fair share of power struggles. The Mughals, the British, they've all left their mark on this city.
You can feel that history as we explore the Karnal fort, its weathered walls whispering tales of battles fought and won. This isn't just a pile of old stones. It's a testament to Karnal's enduring spirit. But the fort's not the only echo of the past here. Brahm Sarovar, a serene water tank, holds immense religious significance. Imagine pilgrims over centuries, seeking solace and making their offerings to the gods. You can practically feel the weight of their devotion, the echoes of their prayers. It's a reminder that in Karnal, the past isn't dead, it's very much alive.
This city's a tapestry woven from threads of different cultures, different rulers, different beliefs, and that's what makes it so fascinating to explore. We're not just ticking off landmarks, we're peeling back layers of time, understanding how Karnal became the city it is today. So let's keep moving, adventurers. There's much more of Karnal's story waiting to be discovered. Stay sharp, stay curious. Now we're heading out of the city centre into the heartland of Karnal, where the urban hustle gives way to the serene countryside. This is where the real backbone of this region lies, agriculture, the lifeblood of the community. Forget skyscrapers and bustling markets. Here it's all about the land, the soil and the crops. The air is different here, filled with the scent of freshly tilled earth and the rustling of crops swaying in the breeze, a symphony of nature. Karnal sits on the edge of the Yamuna River's fertile plains, a lifeline for the farmers. This is prime agricultural land, folks. And it's earned Karnal the title of Rice Bowl of India, a testament to its productivity.
Think about that for a second. This city plays a vital role in feeding a nation, a responsibility it carries with pride. The sheer scale of it is incredible, with vast fields stretching as far as the eye can see. As far as the eye can see, there are fields of emerald green rice, a sea of green. Golden wheat stretching towards the horizon, shimmering under the sun. And it's not just about crops. The diversity of agricultural activities here is astounding. Karnal's also a major centre for dairy production, contributing significantly to the dairy industry. We'll be visiting the National Dairy Research Institute, NDRI, a hub of innovation and research, a place where scientists are working to improve the lives of farmers and ensure a steady supply of milk for millions, a crucial endeavour.
But it's not all work and no play in Karnal. There's a balance to life here. Even amidst all this agricultural activity, there's room for relaxation and enjoyment. Nature finds a way to thrive, adding to the region's charm. Karnal Lake is a perfect example. A tranquil oasis where you can escape the hustle and bustle, a serene retreat. We'll be taking a boat trip across the lake, a peaceful journey, hopefully spotting some of the local bird life, a delight for nature enthusiasts. It's a reminder that even in the most bustling of places, nature can provide a moment of peace, a sanctuary. So there you have it, Karnal, a city where the rhythms of nature dictate the pace of life, a harmonious blend. It's about understanding the delicate balance between progress and preservation, a crucial equilibrium, and appreciating the vital role that agriculture plays in sustaining us all, a testament to human ingenuity and nature's bounty.
Right, adventurers. Even in a city known for its agriculture, sometimes you need a break from the fields. The hustle and bustle of daily life can be overwhelming, and finding a peaceful retreat becomes essential. Lucky for us, Karnal has some hidden gems for those seeking a bit of tranquility. These serene spots are perfect for unwinding and recharging your spirit. Karnal Lake, which we saw briefly earlier, is more than just a pretty view. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of nature. It's a haven for nature lovers, a place to escape the city's noise and reconnect with the outdoors. The calm waters and lush surroundings make it an ideal spot for relaxation. Imagine yourself strolling along the lakeshore as the sun sets, the sky ablaze with color. The vibrant hues reflecting off the water create a mesmerizing scene. We might even be lucky enough to spot some of the local wildlife coming out for an evening drink. Birds, deer, and other creatures add to the lake's charm.
If you're feeling adventurous, we can rent a boat and head out onto the water. Paddling across the lake offers a unique perspective and a sense of freedom. There's nothing quite like the gentle rocking of the waves and the sound of birdsong to soothe the soul. It's a perfect way to disconnect from the stresses of everyday life. But Karnal's got something for the spiritual adventurers too. The city is home to several sacred sites that offer a different kind of tranquility. Sanihit Sarovar, a sacred water tank, is believed to have purifying powers. It's a place where spirituality and nature come together. Pilgrims from all over India come here to bathe in its waters, seeking blessings and washing away their sins. The atmosphere is charged with devotion and reverence, even if you're not on a spiritual quest. There's a sense of peace and serenity here that's hard to find elsewhere. The calm waters and the quiet surroundings invite introspection. It's a place where you can reflect on life's journey and find a moment of quiet contemplation. The serene environment helps clear the mind and rejuvenate the spirit.
And no exploration of Karnal would be complete without paying tribute to one of its most famous daughters, Kalpana Chawla. Her legacy continues to inspire many. The Kalpana Chawla Memorial, dedicated to India's first woman in space, is a testament to human ambition and the power of dreams. It stands as a beacon of hope and determination. It's a reminder that even in a small city like Karnal, greatness can be achieved. The city holds stories of remarkable individuals who have made a significant impact. So, whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or inspiration, Karnal has something to offer everyone. The city's diverse attractions cater to all kinds of explorers. It's a city that surprises you with its hidden depths and leaves you feeling refreshed and invigorated. Karnal's unique blend of nature, spirituality, and history makes it a must-visit destination.
Now we're venturing beyond the city limits into the countryside surrounding Karnal. It's easy to forget that just beyond those fields of wheat and rice, a whole other world exists. This is where we get a glimpse of Haryana's wilder side, a reminder that even in this heavily cultivated region, nature finds a way. The landscape here might seem deceptively simple at first glance. Flat plains stretching towards the horizon. But look closer, and you'll start to see the subtle beauty of this ecosystem.
Keep an eye out for the flash of colourful birds flitting through the trees. We're in prime birdwatching territory here, especially during the migratory season. Flocks of waterfowl descend on Karnal Lake and the surrounding wetlands, a spectacle that's a real treat for nature enthusiasts. Binoculars at the ready, adventurers. And it's not just birds. Keep your eyes peeled for signs of other wildlife. The graceful blackbuck antelope, perhaps, or even the elusive Indian fox. Remember, we're in their territory now. We tread lightly, observe respectfully, and appreciate the delicate balance of this ecosystem.
The flora is just as fascinating as the fauna. Beyond the cultivated fields, you'll find a surprising diversity of plants, hardy shrubs, vibrant wildflowers, and towering trees, providing shade from the midday sun. It's a reminder that even in the most challenging of environments, life finds a way. Each plant, each animal plays a crucial role in the delicate web of this ecosystem. So, as we explore the countryside around Karnal, let's remember to appreciate the small wonders, the hidden beauty that often goes unnoticed.
As we reach the end of our Karnal adventure, it's clear that this city is more than just a pretty face. Behind the historical landmarks and natural beauty lies a city on the move. Karnal's economy, while deeply rooted in agriculture, is branching out, embracing new opportunities. This is a city that's embracing progress while staying true to its roots. The blend of old and new is evident everywhere you look.
We've seen the vital role agriculture plays here, but Karnal's also becoming a hub for food processing and grain production. Factories and industrial units are springing up, creating jobs and boosting the local economy. The entrepreneurial spirit here is truly inspiring, and being located so close to Delhi, one of India's largest cities, gives Karnal a strategic advantage. It's a prime location for businesses looking to escape the capital's congestion, while still being well connected.
But it's not just about economic growth. Karnal is also investing in its people, improving infrastructure, and creating a better quality of life. The city is ensuring that its residents have access to the best facilities. New schools, hospitals, and public spaces are popping up all over the city. There's a palpable sense of optimism here, a belief that Karnal's best days are yet to come. And that's infectious, folks. It makes you want to be a part of this city's success story.
But even with all this development, Karnal hasn't forgotten its roots. The people here are warm, welcoming, and fiercely proud of their heritage. They understand that progress and tradition can go hand in hand, that embracing the future doesn't mean forgetting the past. And that's what makes Karnal such a special place. It's a city that offers the best of both worlds.
So, as we leave Karnal behind, let's take with us the lessons we've learned. The importance of history, the power of nature, and the indomitable spirit of a city determined to thrive. Karnal is truly a city on the rise.
So there we have it, adventurers. Our expedition through Karnal comes to an end. We've walked through history, felt the pulse of modern India in its fields, and found moments of peace in its natural wonders. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply looking for an off-the-beaten-path destination, Karnal offers a unique glimpse into the heart of Haryana. It's a city of contrasts, ancient and modern, bustling and tranquil, but always captivating. Remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed our adventure, subscribe for more incredible journeys, and share this video with your fellow explorers. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous.